The world of cutting-edge technology as we unwrap the Honor Pad X9, a tablet that has been making waves since its release in July 2023. With its impressive specifications and sleek design, it's no wonder why the tech community is buzzing about this device. So, let's not waste any time and explore the ins and outs of the Honor Pad X9. Starting with the design, the Honor Pad X9 is a masterpiece of engineering. Crafted with precision, it features a glass front, an aluminum frame, and an aluminum back, making it not only sturdy but also aesthetically pleasing. The tablet boasts a slim profile with dimensions measuring 267.3 by 167.4 by 6.9 mm and weighs in at 495 grams, giving you a premium feel while holding it. Feast your eyes on the Honor Pad X9's remarkable 11.5-inch TFT LCD display, complete with a 120Hz refresh rate. This screen provides an immersive visual experience, showcasing content at a resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels. With an 84.1% screen-to-body ratio, you can indulge in your favorite movies, games, and more with vivid clarity and stunning colors. Under the hood, the Honor Pad X9 is driven by the powerful Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 685 chipset built on a 6nm process. With an octa-core CPU, featuring 4x2.8 GHz Cortex-A73 and 4x1.9 GHz Cortex-A53 cores, and an Adreno 610 GPU. This tablet delivers impressive performance whether you're multitasking or indulging in graphic-intensive activities. Running on Android 13 with Magic OS 7.1, the Honor Pad X9 offers a seamless user experience, providing a user-friendly interface and a plethora of customization options to tailor the tablet to your preferences. When it comes to storage, the Honor Pad X9 doesn't disappoint. It offers a generous 128GB of internal storage, ensuring you have ample space to store your files, apps, and media. Accompanied by 4GB of RAM, you can switch between applications effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and lag-free experience. Capture life's moments in stunning detail with the Honor Pad X9's 5MP main and selfie cameras. Equipped with an f2.2 aperture, the cameras deliver sharp and vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're taking selfies, recording videos at 1080p at 30fps, or engaging in video calls, the Honor Pad X9 has you covered. Immerse yourself in an audio extravaganza with the Honor Pad X9 stereo speakers. With a total of 6 speakers, you can enjoy a rich and immersive sound experience whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to your favorite tunes. Connectivity-wise, the tablet supports Wi-Fi 802.11a/b per gram NAC, dual band, and Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless wireless communication. Powering the Honor Pad X9 is a robust 7250 mAh non-removable LiPo battery. This powerhouse of a battery ensures that you can use the tablet throughout the day without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're working, streaming, or indulging in entertainment, the Honor Pad X9 has the endurance to keep up. As we conclude our in-depth review of the Honor Pad X9, it's evident that this tablet is a true game-changer in the tech world. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, it's a device that caters to both productivity and entertainment needs. With the Honor Pad X9, you're not just holding a tablet, you're holding a gateway to limitless possibilities. As of now, the Honor Pad X9 is available in the elegant, space gray color option and is priced at approximately €250, offering incredible value for the features it brings to the table. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the Honor Pad X9. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Honor Pad X9, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.